We just got a new tool for the shop here. I've never done an unboxing, but I'm pretty excited about this, so we're gonna unbox this guy. I've already cut it open because, well, I couldn't wait. Now here we go. Opening up the box. And pull out this. Who gives a shit about that? Ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Throw that, we don't need that. Now look at this. For those of you who don't know, it's upside down, but I think you know what it says. Inside here. I'm so excited. Open this up. Look at this. Look at that. Brand new. And it gives you all this stuff right here. You can see it's kind of backwards, but this is the Rotex RO150. Look at it. It comes with, it's got all the stuff in here, cords and cables and handles and some card. But look how cool this is. It's so cool. So cool. And all the different attachments and buffing. Is there anything behind here? Right there. So I'm pretty excited. We're going to be able to do some pretty insane work at the shop now. I also have another tool coming that you guys will see as well. So I'm pretty excited to have one of this fine black and green tools. All right, guys. See you next time.